You can see laminated product in day-to-day life. For example, shoes, boards, textiles, outdoors wares, medical product, and so on.葉興has a well-equipped research and development facility with pattern lamination rollers to help customers in optimizing lamination parameter based on their fabric.葉興's lamination machine has Europe CE certification, equipped with energy-efficient motors and SCR electronic heat control system. The safety design helps in enhancing working safety. Automatic function. With upgrading the automatic function, you can highly enhance the production and working efficiency. The automatic tension control system can avoid fabric wrinkles on edge coming from rewinding.葉興's lamination machine is suitable for all kinds of adhesives. During lamination, you can easily control the glue thickness and pressing gap by servo controller and generate the production report by PLC interface. Through remote system, we can provide our overseas customers with immediate and continuous support. If you have any requirement for a lamination machine, welcome to contact us.葉興Machinery, innovate the way you laminate.